You need to talk to your cousin
I don't know if that's
Della.
saving to the memory card. Do what?
You need to talk to your cousin Della.
Yes.
And you need to talk to your cousin Will.
Yes.
They each have something to tell you.
They each have something to tell me?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Can I guess?
Are we going to be guessing correctly?
Be a pretty decent guess on each count.
Huh?
I have a pretty decent guess on each count. Or what
What
I
do you
think the
guess?
is.
What do you guess?
Well, I can't say it and be wrong, and then that looks ridiculous.
That's the hazards of guessing.
You know this drill. No, thank you. Oh, you're asking her? You'll probably love one. She's not going to use it the way you think she will.
No.
She'll probably throw it on the ground.
Swing it
Is
around.
Will still in school, or is he graduated and just...
He now has his master's, but he does not have a job.
Okay.